Welcome to the channel Easy Geography. Before going to the video, I need your support. Please subscribe the channel. This video includes multiple choice questions from agricultural geography. Questions are sourced from previous year's papers of NET, SET and other examinations. The purpose of the video is to provide NET aspirants a source to practice some questions related to the latest syllabus. We can go to the first question. Which among the following is not a criteria used by Whittlesey to classify agricultural regions in the world? The agricultural regions in the world classified by Whittlesey, and he used some criteria for the classifications. And among these, which is not a criteria? The options are a combination of crop and livestock, intensity of land use, degree of mechanization, number of people engaged in agricultural sectors. Answer is number of people engaged in agricultural sectors. All others are the criteria used by Whittlesey. Others are the combination of crops and livestock, intensity of land use, processing and marketing of farm produce, degree of mechanization, types and characteristics of buildings and other structures associated with the agriculture. And Whittlesey's classification is mostly accepted among the agricultural classification. Based on these criteria, 13 types of agricultural regions were identified. Second question, which among the following type of agriculture of India is classified in the World Agricultural System by Whittlesey? In India mostly practiced which type of agriculture? And the classification done by Whittlesey. Options: A. Livestock ranching, B. Commercial agriculture, C. Nomadic herding, option D. Intensive subsistence agriculture. In India, mainly practiced agricultural system is intensive subsistence agriculture. Intensive means very less area, and the subsistence means it is for the cultivation is done for the farmer and his family. And see, it is a classification done by Whittlesey, and here India, the green color and light green color, it is showing intensive subsistence agriculture dominated by rice, and it is not rice dominant. And intensive subsistence agriculture is mainly practiced in India. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. The agricultural system and some countries are given, and match nomadic herding, commercial dairy farming, Mediterranean agriculture, livestock ranching, and the countries New Zealand, Mongolia, Morocco and Brazil. And the nomadic herding is mainly practiced in Mongolia, and the commercial dairy farming, we know it is in New Zealand. And the Mediterranean agriculture is mainly found around the Mediterranean region, and Morocco is around Mediterranean region. And then the livestock ranching, it is practiced in nomadic culture remains in the Mongolian pastoral herders, and commercial dairy farming is important in the New Zealand region. Next question, the major occupation of the people of Mediterranean land is? Options: livestock farming, nomadic herding, growing tropical fruits, growing of grains and fruits. Occupation of people in Mediterranean region, and it is growing of grains and fruits. Wheat is also cultivated, winter wheat is also grown in the Mediterranean area. Citrus fruits is the main cultivation, oranges, lemons and grapes. Next question, which among the following is the leading producer of wine? Leading wine producer, Mediterranean region, temperate region, polar areas and tropical grasslands. And the answer is option A, Mediterranean region. And in the Mediterranean region is famous for the production of citrus fruits, and thus wine making is also very important. Major crops and the major growing regions are sugarcane, tropical and subtropical countries, Wheat, mid-latitude grasslands. Rice cultivated in delta plains and coastal lowlands. Tobacco is in China, USA and India. Rubber is in Southeast Asia. Cocoa, West Africa. Tea, China. Next question. The oldest form of agriculture in the world is? Oldest form of agriculture. Option: livestock farming, commercial farming, shifting cultivation, mixed farming. Answer is shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is the oldest form of agriculture that originated 7000 to 8000 BC. And shifting cultivation is a subsistence agricultural activity where the farmers cleared the area of vegetation and they started cultivation there. And then abandoned for a new area until its fertility has been naturally restored. Next question. The shifting cultivation is known by the name Jhum cultivation in which area? And shifting cultivation is known by different names in different parts of the world. It is known as Jhum in where? Options: Rajasthan, Orissa, Western Ghats and Northeast India. Answer is in Northeast India. Northeast India, the shifting cultivation is known as shifting cultivation is known as Jhum cultivation. And the different names, it is known as Milpa in Central America, Ledang in Malaysia, Koniga in Venezuela, Taurigya in Myanmar, Ray in Laos, Kengin in Philippines, Chena in Sri Lanka, Ternal in Thailand, Huma in Java. In India, its names are Kumari. It is known as Kumari in Western Ghats region, Podu or Bringa in Orissa, Watra in Rajasthan, Penda Dahia in Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand also the same name, Penda or Dahia. Next question. Which among the following area is not practiced intensive subsistence village dominated by paddy? Options: in interior of Indian Peninsula, Mekong Delta in South Vietnam, floodplain in Cambodia, coastal plains of Orissa in India. Question is not practiced by intensive subsistence tillage dominated by wet paddy. And intensive subsistence means the cultivation is done for the farmer and his family and it is for a small area. And dominated by wet paddy too. The interior of Indian Peninsula is the answer. The delta region, we know it is dominated by paddy cultivation, and the floodplains of Cambodia, coastal plains of Orissa, these are also dominated by paddy. Paddy is mainly cultivated in the lowlands, the floodplain area, coastal plains, deltaic region, all these are dominated by paddy cultivation. And the interior of Indian Peninsula is not included in that classification. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. It's a previous question. Crop systems, monocropping, crop rotation, intercropping, strip cropping, and the characteristics also given. The option B is correct. And the monocropping, only one crop is cultivated in an area, single crop cultivation, and here it damages the soil structure, it reduces the fertility and prone to pest and diseases. And then the crop rotation means the alternatively different crops are cultivated. It improves the soil structure, fertility, and also it controls the pest and diseases. Crop rotation improves soil structure, fertility. Fourth option. Then the intercropping means other crops compete with the main crops in terms of height, water and nutrients. Then the strip cropping, competition between the crop is minimum in the strip cropping. Extensive commercial grain farming is mainly practiced in options: Llanos of Venezuela, Karoo of South Africa, Delta of India, Pampas of Argentina. Extensive commercial grain farming. Extensive means large area is used for cultivation and commercial means the product is for the market. The answer is D. Pampas of Argentina. Grain farming is mainly practiced in the temperate grasslands. The temperate grasslands, extensive commercial grain farming is the major cultivation type. It is known as prairies in North America, pampas in South America and Argentina, downs in Australia, wells in South Africa. In all these regions, all these temperate grasslands, the extensive commercial grain farming is the major cultivation type. Extensive commercial grain farming is the large farms are used and the cultivation is highly mechanized. Then Llanos, Karus areas are famous for livestock ranching and the deltaic region is for paddy cultivation. Next question. Which form of agriculture is traditionally practiced in drier or more arid climate? In the arid climate, the agricultural system practiced in the arid climatic region. Subsistence farming, shifting cultivation, truck farming, pastoral nomadism. Answer is pastoral nomadism. Pastoral nomadism is traditionally practiced in arid climates and focuses on animals rather than crops. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the wetter areas and it involves crops, and then the truck farming is based on fruits and vegetables. The practice of plant cultivation, mainly fruits and vegetables, and management is known as, the practice of plant cultivation and management is known as options: horticulture, viticulture, sericulture and arboriculture. Answer is horticulture. And the different names: sericulture, silkworm production; viticulture, grapes; arboriculture, cultivation of trees and shrubs; floriculture, floral crops; oenology, it's wine making. It's over. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.